things I'm taking from both of these, and I want to highlight something interesting. So we had two Fed speakers speak at the same time, Bullard and George. Bullard, a hawk. George, I don't know exactly where they fit, but not Bullard. Slightly different messages, followed up by Kashkari. So we'll get into what each of them said, but I want to sum up the whole thing here. So the Fed Minutes backward-looking statement. This is what they discussed at the meeting quite a while ago now at this point. 3 weeks, we'll call it. And they could have taken the opportunity to say, oh, those are outdated. Here's our current stance. That's not what they did. What they did, essentially, was give us the same stance and then a more hawkish stance. And it just so happens that the most hawkish stance came from Bullard, who has been getting increasingly more hawkish as the time has gone on, and has been more and more right. So we had George say that, I haven't decided yet. 50 might be possible, but we're going to be data dependent. Then we had Bullard say, 75, I'm leaning towards that. And then we had Kashkari basically say, more tightening. It's going to be hard to do what we need to do without causing a recession. So what does this mean for markets? In my opinion, it means the markets aren't pricing in the Fed's full move, still expecting rate cuts. I mean, everyone's saying, even George, you consider him dovish, rate cuts, not happening. So get over that. Get over that. No rate cuts. So, not being priced in. Additionally, people are saying, recession, not going to happen. Well, the Fed is now comfortable telling us recession. This whole notion that we're going to cut rate hikes or cut rates once we get a recession, not true. They're comfortable with the recession. They say bring it on. So we'll have to see what happens. Oil prices. Oil prices are a big part of the reason why the market was able to bottom. Oil prices bottomed June 14th. Yields topped June 15th. Stock market bottomed June 16th. I don't think oil prices are going to really do anything crazy high until October. I think October is when we'll see the end of the sub 100 era, and then we get back above 100. We saw China coming online, rumblings of that today, big rumblings, lead the price of oil up. Didn't seem to have an impact on markets. I think that's a little strange, considering the clear tie now that we just set, laid out those 3 dates between oil prices and markets and inflation too. So let's keep our eyes peeled. Let's see what happens. I'm cautious. Big run, expensive stocks. We'll see what happens. That's today's video. Until next time, peace out.